Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hey there, welcome to Numerade. We are asked to find the critical values given the correlation coefficient between the brain volumes and IQ scores of 7 males. So we're given a sample size of 7 with our correlation coefficient at 0.288. So we are asked to find our critical value or critical values, where we have the critical values equaling based on the table that is shown below. So we have critical value equals. So let's see what we have here. So our number of pairs is 7, so we have 7 males. So therefore our critical value here would be the 0.754. And as you can see, our correlation coefficient is less than our critical value. Okay, so we have our correlation coefficient. So let me just move this down here. Is less than our critical value. So let us come to a conclusion here, since now we have our values. So since our critical value is greater than our correlation coefficient here, we can conclude that there is not a statistically significant linear correlation. So there is not so we have what are the critical values, what do you conclude about the linear correlation. So when the correlation coefficient is less than our critical value, like so, we say that there is not a statistically significant linear relationship between the two variables, which are the brain volumes and IQ scores. So in other words here, since our correlation coefficient is less than what we have here, we're going to be rejecting the null hypothesis. So let's see here. So there is not statistically significant. So we just leave it as is, okay? So actually we do not reject the null hypothesis. Awesome. Hopefully this makes sense, and I'll see you next time.